Hey guys, today we're talking about the Samsung A15 Sport Bixby and can we enable Bixby. If you're using Samsung A15, so let's see is does Samsung A15 Sport Bixby or can we enable it. So for this you just have to open your phone settings. In settings go to search and search for Bixby. Search for it. Here you can see we haven't any option like Bixby. So let's check further. Here you just have to scroll down and look for advanced features. Here just tap on it, and here you can see here's no any option like Bixby. So it's mean Samsung A15 does not support Bixby. So we cannot use or enable Bixby on Samsung A15. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.